Amid the NEET mess, the opposition, like many of the students as well, have been demanding a retest. However, according to government sources that we are picking up, what is being said that they are safeguarding the students' future and it is their priority. However, paper leak is concerned that only is limited to small pockets. But Tetri, it doesn't mean when it comes to re-examination that for now is not being considered owing to many of the students who may have in a rightful manner qualified the examination.
Well, certainly now you see this is a problem for those students who have really prepared very hard, who worked very hard to prepare for these exams since past 1 or 2 years, and then there must have been many students who must have taken drop, gone to several coaching classes to prepare for this particular exam. And now, apart from those who were involved in this entire scam, alleged paper leak, or in fact who got the grace marks, the 1563 students, apart from that, there are students who gave exam with full honesty. They prepared for the exam. Now their future is also at stake, because certainly there must be many students whose exam must have gone very well, and they must have been securing very good marks, and they must have also been getting good colleges as well, as and when the counseling will be happening. So tension, these students are also tensed, because now if re-examination or if re-NEET is considered by the government, then what will happen to them? Certainly they will have to give again the fees, the registration fees, and they will have to prepare for the exam and again reappear for the exam, despite the fact that they honestly gave the exam, prepared for it and achieved good numbers.